Can you apply multiple filters on Snapchat in one photo? Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Snapchat. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Snapchat and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Or you can also go back to the home screen, open up your app drawer and find the Snapchat. Simply tap on it. Now click a photo. Now swipe to the left or right to apply the filters. Now once you apply the filter, when you swipe to the right to apply other filter, as you can see the previous filter is switched out. So it's not possible to apply multiple filters. on Snapchat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.